Hi, I'll show you how to make your potato prank card. You'll need an adult to help you cut the potato with a sharp knife and a towel to dry the surface of the potato. The first step is to cut the potato in half with a sharp knife lengthwise. Then pat the cut surface of your potato dry with a towel before you paint it. Now make your potato into a stamp. If it helps, you can poke a fork into the round end of the potato to make a handle. Dip the cut side into the paint and then stamp it onto your card. If it looks like mine and it has some empty spots, you can just finger paint and fill in those empty spots. And then to still give it that stamped look, I picked up my potato and very carefully placed it in the same spot where I'd stamped it before, and that gave it that stamped look. That's your choice though, just make it however you'd like it to look. Then you get to finger paint. Dip your fingers into the paint and put them on either side of the potato to make your polar bear ears. Next, keep using your fingers to make some snow at the bottom of your card. I moved my plate underneath my card so that I didn't get the paint all over the place. Next, you get to finger paint snowflakes on your card. Just scatter those around however you'd like them. Keep in mind where you might like to write your message on your card, and maybe you leave a spot blank, or you can fill it up with snowflakes, whatever you like. Now you have to wait for the card to dry until you can do the next part. Now you get to decorate your card. I'm going to draw a face on my polar bear, just eyes, nose, mouth, and then because I'm going to use my card as a Valentine's card, I'm drawing a red heart using the markers that we gave you in your kit. Last, write your greeting card message. I decided to use a little bear pun. You are very special. Now you can repeat the process again to make your other 3 cards, mix it up, or make them all the same.